Hey everyone, if you want to add titles, captions, promotional messages, or branding text to your images, Photoroom makes it quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to add text in Photoroom from start to finish in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the editor. Once you're logged in, start a new project or open an existing image that you want to edit. Next, upload your photo if it isn't already in the workspace. You can use product photos, social media graphics, thumbnails, marketing materials, or any other image. After the image loads, locate the text tool within the editing menu. Depending on your device and the current version of Photoroom, the option may appear as Add Text, Text, or Typography. Click or tap the text option and insert a new text box onto the canvas. Now type the text you want to display. This could be a headline, product name, price, call to action, quote, caption, or any other message. And that's how to add text in Photoroom in 2026. With simple editing tools and flexible text customization options, you can create professional-looking graphics in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.